Okay, the name of this one is again Ukuba Magwizi. 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 Okay. Everyone bachana for this one. Everyone bachana. Ukuba Magwizi. Sperm paper. Yeah, it's an asterisk, not a tick. It's like a signature on the last candidate. This one, Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Okay, the second fold, the next is opposed to a tick. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi again. Ukuba Magwizi. Twayipiri. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Philemon Machana. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Basho Gore. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Twayipiri. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi.
We are not allowed to get closer.
Ukuba Magwizi. Twayipiri. Twayipiri. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Philemon Machana. Ukuba Magwizi. Ukuba Magwizi. Ngqobile Magwizi. Ngqobile Magwizi. Human Machana. Ngqobile Magwizi. Ngqobile Magwizi. Ngqobile Magwizi. Ngqobile Magwizi. Ngqobile Magwizi. Human Machana. Ngqobile Magwizi. Ngqobile Magwizi. Ngqobile Magwizi. Ngqobile Magwizi.
It's already gotten 2/3 majority, so he's the next president.
Ngqobile Magwizi. Ngqobile Magwizi.
No. What?
Ngqobile Magwizi. Shakubana uchigona nje. Ngqobile Magwizi. Ngqobile. Yeah, and then the sport paper here, the next. Ngqobile Magwizi. Another sport paper. Ngqobile Magwizi. I think we get totally.
Around what? 15, 60? 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
Ukuba is the only one judge? Why is the only one?
Why is it going?
Yeah.
Why 76? No, there's 4 papers, but don't forget.
Where about spirit papers?
12 plus 1, 175 plus.
Because one said
12 papers. Let's see what is now.
Please give each other space.
Mr. President, welcome. The new UNqobile President, Ndebele Magwizi. How are you feeling?
Well,
You've won?
ready
You
to
sure
work.
yeah?
Ready to work.
You have to work. Yes. So your first 100 days, what's going to happen?
Wow, we need to make sure we get the board members first, right?
Right.
So for now, what do you think you are going to do differently in our football in the country?
Thank you.
I think we'll answer all the questions when we're done so that we don't disrupt.
We don't want to disrupt the process.
Yeah.
Hello. Members of the 40th state of the media, please, you have plenty of time to do your interviews. Can we carry on with our business? All right, counting of the votes. 3, 4.
As long as they are not more than the number, it's okay. Even if they were 30, it's okay. What's the problem is having more people vote. As long as they are less than the total,
If the list is not, it's okay.
it's okay. Even if there are 30 people. If you 40 decide to abstain, it's fine.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61.
No, it makes sense now. 61. It takes up people like myself.
Okay, the total for Mr. UNqobile Magwizi is actually 80% of our vote, and for our president, you need to get a total of 50 plus 1%. So we can, yeah, let's go. Five square papers.
The elections for vice president and board members is yet to take place. So we'll be back because it's a long process. We'll be back live again later on.
Okay, I therefore officially announce that Zimbabwe Football Association is the new president in the name of Mr. UNqobile Magwizi. Mr. Magwizi, but clearly what is more important is for us to get a very good team of people to support Mr. Magwizi, the work that he's going to be doing. So we move on to the vice presidents.